Hi everybody, I'm Hannah and today we'll be cooking a sweet mustard chicken and caramelised pear salad. The ingredient we'll be using today is pear, which is perfect for autumn. So let's get cooking. So we're just going to chop some tomatoes, add some olive oil, some balsamic vinegar, salt and pepper, set for a little while. Pop these little croutons onto an oven tray lined with some baking paper. Sprinkle on some olive oil, parmesan cheese, salt and pepper, and then we'll pop them in the oven. So what we have here is just a plain normal chicken breast. Pop it between two pieces of baking paper. Bash it really, really hard. And we want it to be around an even thickness, so around that 1 to 2 centimetres, which means it'll cook really evenly and cook the same way through. So we're gonna pop this nice flattened bit of chicken breast, and then we're gonna add this sweet mustard spice blend. Toss a bit of chicken in the spice blend and the flour mix. Make sure it's nice and evenly coated. Salt and a little bit of pepper. We'll just set that chicken aside to marinate for about 10 minutes to let those flavours infuse. And we're just gonna wait till it gets nice and warm. Butter to the pan. We're just gonna add this pear in a single layer, let it cook and caramelise for a couple of minutes, and then we'll just turn it over. Turn the pear over, and you can see that it's getting nice little charring on it, which just adds to the flavour and makes it even more yummy. Okay, now we're gonna drizzle over this honey, just for an extra touch of sweetness. Just add a little bit of olive oil. So we're gonna pop this chicken into the pan. So we've cooked it for about 3 to 4 minutes each side until it's golden and cooked through. And move the chicken across to a plate. We've just covered the chicken with some foil and we're gonna set it aside to rest for a few minutes. And we're gonna quickly slice it up. We've got some beautiful mixed salad leaves here. We're gonna add this tomato and all the juices. You've got the balsamic vinegar and the olive oil in there, which serves as the salad dressing. We'll add the pear, ciabatta croutons. Now we'll just add the chicken and just a little sprinkle of parmesan cheese. Here is our sweet mustard chicken and caramelised pear salad. Enjoy.